Everything, everything around you, everything created by human beings began with a thought, an idea, a dream that became a vision for the future and a plan of action. The building you live in, the bed you sleep in, the gadget you're watching this on, they all began as someone's idea, someone's dream. The process of ordering your thoughts and ideas into dreams and visions lets you create a future that you want, the future that you'll love. That's what you'll learn about in the Dream Big, Start Now, Here's How workshop. I'm Tonda Bean, MBA, MSOD, former Girl Scout leader and PTA officer, and mother who took her children from public school K through 12 to graduation from New York University and Harvard University, and then on into careers that they wanted, careers that they love. Remember, success happens first in your mind. Students, whether you're in middle school, high school, or college, or parents of students, there is a realm of possibilities open to you. Before things happen in the world, you have to make them happen in your imagination, creating a future that is detailed and interesting and that you are going to enjoy. In our screen-based times, we don't talk much about the steps for success that are not cinematic. Watching someone dream, watching someone plan is not very exciting. Being the one who's doing the dreaming, creating the vision, making the plan that achieves the vision, that's fascinating. Learning to dream in a creative, constructive way is the very first step towards your success. That's why Dream Big, Start Now, Here's How is an important workshop, and it's important for you to come. In it, you will learn to start identifying possibilities, get a system for testing them, and start to create the kind of dream that will give you direction, purpose, and enthusiasm for your next steps. Students, you can do this. Parents, your support in this effort will help your emerging adults become independent, positive people whom you admire. Take the first step. Click the button below. Register for the workshop Dream Big, Start Now, Here's How, because everything begins with a dream. Register now. Let's get you dreaming.